My name is Seward. I'm a project manager at Precision Point. We're in the Midwest, so we're like on the northern side of Indianapolis. Um, we do a lot of scanning and capture in the AEC industry, um, and we also do a lot of BIM modeling. And yeah, that's our big industry. So to me, NavVis is helping us by creating a platform that's able to capture data very quickly, and what that means is that I can be on site for less time, which is less travel costs. I can turn data around to my customers faster, and we're able to do a lot of things faster than with a traditional terrestrial style scanner. They're relevant in small and big projects. Across a bigger project's going to go faster, a smaller project's going to also go faster, and there's an awesome use case for NavVis on any size project. Ivyon's great. We host the NavVis data up on Ivyon. It's got the photos for our customers. It's very intuitive. It's essentially like using a Google Earth or something like that. It's you can click and it's people get it very quickly. Another thing that we use in Ivyon is cloud processing. So our data doesn't have to process on a local machine. We can upload it to the cloud, and we can very quickly process data that used to have to be processed on-prem would take a very long time, and it's faster, and again, I'm able to get stuff to my customers quicker. So time savings means that I can get data in the customer's hands faster. It means, a laser scanning project, when we're on site, it's disruptive to a manufacturing facility or whoever it is. And so we're on site causing less of a disruption. We're able to turn the data and get the data into the customer's hands faster, or if we're going to have a BIM deliverable or something of that nature, we're able to get our guys in-house working on that deliverable faster.